thought which has become causal universe, causal bodies, astral universe, astral bodies, physical universe, physical bodies. That is called spiritual thought. And how to connect? Because spiritual thought is having only one nature, immortal. What is property of immortal? Omniscient, omnipotent, eternal peace and bliss. This is the properties of immortal consciousness. Then when you feel head to toes, each and every point of the nails of the toes, and try to ascend toes and feet, calf muscles, knee joint, thighs, hip joints, hips, back, coccygeal area, sacral, lumbar, thoracic, cervical, medullary, then arms, each and every point of the arms and nails of the fingers, palm, wrist, forearm, elbows, upper arm, shoulder, abdominal area, chest, neck, face, head. Try to feel it more and more. As your attention, concentration increases, whatever you feel, accept immortality. But sometimes I have a lot of work and I have to do fast to complete the work. It is very important. Then I forget to feel various changes within head to toes while working fast. Then we have become direct from a spiritual consciousness, we have entered into the atomic kingdom. If we always remember, our priority is to feel each and every point from head to toes, each and every part and all changes, you have to feel it. If I am walking, I have to go, I have to run. All right, but run. But when you are running, many changes, whatever you are feeling, try to concentrate more and more. How to concentrate on so many millions changes when I am running? Head and spine is there. Try to locate head and spine. Concentrate on Bhumad and have the quality running. What is the quality running? We should not slip anywhere. We should not fall down. We should not injure ourselves. We should have full awareness where I am walking and to facilitate everybody's movement. It is not that I am walking and let everybody should get scared and fear and get here and there scattered. No. Okay, run. Do all work very fast. It is good. But during that, do not miss this point. Our aim of each and every action is only one, to get knowledge, to increase vitality, to get peace and joy. Where is vitality? Where is peace and joy? Where is knowledge? Knowledge which brings unity. The changes we feel when we are in lying position, sitting, standing, walking, working, running, and resting, having imagination, analysis, intellectual work, during all activities, feel head to toes more and more. Appreciate all changes. This is the aim. Aim is not that work like bull, run like horse. This is not the aim. Aim is to gather knowledge. And where is knowledge? Head to toes is knowledge. How to gather it? Moment you serve, then you feel changes within head to toes. To experience changes, then I have to serve, because during service I feel various changes. I get an opportunity to experience those changes. This is the aim. Therefore you will find many persons in the world, they are very laborious, they work very hard, they try to see, all right, in the beginning, when we are entering into spirituality, it is okay. You have to do like marathon, you have to do like jumping here and there, whatever you are doing, all right. But in due course of time, you should know, during all activities, you have to feel all changes When I am feeling all changes, I cannot walk. Learn how to walk and feel. Okay, I have learned how to walk and feel changes. Then run and feel. Okay, I know how to run and feel. Run with the purpose. Not like marathon. To run in order to serve animal kingdom, plant kingdom, human kingdom, atomic kingdom. This is the way. It does not mean now my aim is to feel head to toe changes within. Then I am walking very slowly because I cannot walk more than this. No. Then you cannot serve. Therefore you have to learn when we are running, having high speed of activity, then you must be able to feel more head to toes, more changes within. Breath is also change. Whatever you feel. This is the lifestyle. Try to remember it again and again. Start again from today while working that. Sometimes when we say, what you are working like worldly person? You have to work like a spiritual person. Then how? When you are walking, feel nails of the toes. Okay, all right, toes. Then feet, ankle joint, calf muscles. Okay, I am doing this. You can do this 5 minutes, no problem. But you have to walk faster. Then you have to walk with the purpose. When you are walking with the purpose, feel more head to toes. It is not possible, it is possible. You are not trying it. For human being, impossible idea, thought, concept, word never exist. Therefore, do not believe that when you are reading a book, listening the lecture, remembering it, you will know Kriya Yoga. No. You have to live the principle. This is the important point. अच्छी तरह से याद रखिए. हम फिर से रिवाइज करें. कभी कभी देखेंगे कोई आदमी बहुत तेज काम करता है, 4 आदमी बराबर अकेले करता है, तो हम कहते बहुत अच्छा आदमी. हाँ ठीक है. छोटा बच्चा ये सामान लाओ, वो सामान लाओ, ये ले आओ, वो ले आओ, दौड़ दौड़ के लाता है, ठीक है. देखिए बच्चे से कह दीजिए कि आप स्पिरिचुअल वाइब्रेशन को फील करते हुए सामान लाइए, नहीं कर पाएगा वो. ऐसे हमारी एक उम्र होती है कॉन्शसनेस की. प्रारंभिक समय में ठीक है, धीरे धीरे काम करने से अच्छा बहुत तेज काम करिए, लेकिन धीरे धीरे मन को सजोइए कि एम ऑफ लाइफ है, जीवन का लक्ष्य ज्ञान बटोरना, वाइटलिटी, शक्ति, इम्यूनिटी, शांति, आनंद, इसको बटोरना जीवन का एम है. तो कहाँ है, कहाँ से बटोरें? सिर से पैर की उंगली तक की जो रचना है, यही अमर तत्व है, यही ज्ञान तत्व भी है, शक्ति भी है, शांति भी है, आनंद भी है, अमर तत्व भी है. तो अब जब हम चलेंगे, काम करेंगे, तो एक लक्ष्य है, पैर की उंगली से लेकर सिर तक सब चीज़ों में एकाग्रता बढ़ाते जाएं, अनुभव करते जाएं. सिर, चेहरा, गला, दोनों हाथ, पीठ, सीना, पेट, कमर से पैर की उंगली तक, दोनों पैर, सब में एकाग्रता बढ़ाते जाएं, अनुभव करते जाएं. और जो अनुभूति कर रहे हैं इसी को और अनुभव करें. लेकिन लक्ष्य क्या है? सेवा करते हुए. आप कहते हैं जब सेवा करते हैं तो एकाग्रता प्रेम नहीं बनती है. ऐसा नहीं है, आप प्रयास नहीं करते हैं. मानव के लिए कुछ भी असंभव नहीं, याद रखिए. आप सब जितने लोग हैं, जब तक चाहिए पृथ्वी पर रहिए. आप सोचिए तो, इसे आज से हम लोग ये नियम बना लें कि सेवा परमो धर्म, सेवा करना हमारा कार्य है. और सेवा करते समय हम कितने कम समय में ज़्यादा सेवा करें, ये भी लक्ष्य है. लेकिन ये सब करते हुए सबसे बड़ा लक्ष्य ये है कि पैर की उंगली से सिर तक हमारी एकाग्रता इसमें बढ़ती जाए. नाखून में, अंगुलियों में, पंजों में, हर जगह पर जो परिवर्तन होते उसमें और एकाग्र होते जाएं. वैसा प्रयास करिए. आप कहेंगे नहीं होता है, इसका मतलब आपका मन नहीं है. हम नौकरी करते हैं, चलो 50,000 मिलता है, हमको काम है 10 लाख का, तो ये तो नहीं कहते नौकरी छोड़ देंगे क्योंकि 10 लाख नहीं मिलता है. उसी में से बचाते बचाते 10 लाख बना लेंगे. लेकिन इसमें हम जरूर कहते हैं कि नहीं हो रहा है हमसे, क्योंकि लक्ष्य नहीं बनाए हैं. लक्ष्य बना लेंगे तो ये शब्द निकल जाएगा कि हमसे नहीं होता है. याद रखिएगा. हमने एक एग्जाम्पल दे दिया, 10 लाख रुपया चाहिए तनख्वाह 50,000, तो उसमें ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा बचा करके रखेंगे, 10 लाख हो जाएगा। अब 10 लाख की नौकरी नहीं है, 50,000 भी छोड़ दें, ऐसा तो नहीं है। इसे जितने परिवर्तन का अनुभव कर रहे हैं, करते जाइए, सेवा करते जाइए और अनुभव करते जाइए, और असंभव नहीं है, याद रखिएगा। अगर चाहते एक दिन में, तो इसका अर्थ है कि आप नहीं चाहते हैं। कोई माँ कहती है कि आज हमारी प्रेगनेंसी भी हुई है, 1 महीने का है बेबी, हम चाहते हैं कि 9 महीने का अगले दिन ही हो जाए। कोई माँ चाहेगी? यह बच्चा पैदा हुआ अब 20 साल के बराबर हो जाए, कोई चाहेगा? वहाँ तो नहीं चाहेगा, क्योंकि वहाँ पता है खतरा होगा, क्योंकि वहाँ इच्छा है बच्चे के पालने की, उसको बड़ा करने की, उसको पढ़ाने की। यह हमारी इच्छा नहीं है। हम इस विज्ञान को सीख लें, जब तक चाहें पृथ्वी पर रहें, जब हम जाना चाहें तभी जाएं। नेक्स्ट, but still I become restless. It is not for me. I am not able to do it. Come to this point. If I am doing a job, I get 50,000 rupees salary, but I need 10 lakhs rupees. I will not leave the job. I want 10 lakhs rupees per month. Therefore, I am not going to do this job. We will have job 50,000 rupees per month. I will save it. I will keep on saving. One day I will get 10 lakhs rupees. In this way, because in that I have interest. I have interest in getting 10 lakhs rupees. Therefore, I will not leave job. I will practice how to save. In this, I do not have interest that I should learn this science. I will leave this physical universe when I will decide. And I will incarnate when I will decide. We do not have interest in this. Therefore, you are not planning it. Therefore, I request all of you, nothing is impossible, remember it. Try to serve more and more, have great quantity of service and qualitative service. How you will get qualitative service? Moment you feel during service, we are fully aware of the nails of the toes and feet, calf muscles, thighs and hips, back, abdomen, chest, arms and neck, face and head. Try to feel it more and more. Whatever you can, no problem. Practice again and again. One day you will accumulate a huge amount of knowledge, power, peace and joy and vitality. This is the lifestyle we should continue again. हमारा आपसे निवेदन है, फिर से हम तैयार हो जाएं, इसी तरह से जीवन जिए हम। ऐसा मत सोचे क्रिया योग वही है जो हाथ ऊपर नीचे करते हैं। जब तक इस सिद्धांत को पकड़ करके अपने स्वरूप में एकाग्रता नहीं बढ़ाएंगे, तब तक क्रिया योग से पूरी तरह से नहीं जुड़ रहे हैं। यह था आज का प्रोग्राम।